Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to jump on and share with you guys really quickly some knitted pumpkins that I did. And I did these a little bit ago, so hopefully I can remember everything that I did. But like I said, I knitted these. I had recently gotten a bunch of new yarn, mostly from Hobby Lobby when they were having their clearance sale. And I made these actually without a pattern, and I just did a simple seed stitch because it was the easiest on my hands. So let me go ahead and share with you guys the ones that I created. So here is the first one. Isn't it so cute? So basically what I did to create these were to create a rectangle and then weave in the ends, and I made a tube. Then I gathered up the bottom, closed that off, and then I stuffed it. These are all stuffed with fiberfill, and you can make it as poofy or as not as poofy, I guess, as you want. And then I closed up the top. And then I used my upholstery needle, which is a really long needle, and I created these sections. I think each one of these has 8 sections. Some of them will be a little bit shorter, some of them will be a little bit taller. I made different sizes. This one, I didn't do the seed stitch. I wanted to try something different, and this one is a broken rib. I didn't like this as much. And then at the top, all the stems are created just using, I think it's a 1/4 inch dowel that I just cut down. And I either wrapped faux leather, or some of them have the glittered vinyl that I love to use from Hobby Lobby. For this one, I just used one of these iridescent white leaves. I think this is from Hobby Lobby as well. And I just took some various wire, I guess you can say. This blue one and the pink one that I'll show you. These are from Prima. I've had these for a really long time. But I just thought it was just a little bit of decoration to kind of make the pumpkin. And then on each one of the stems I did put a little jewel just so that it wasn't just bare wood. So here is the first one. So here is the next one. This one is quite a bit bigger. And like I said, this is a seed stitch that I knitted. I love this variegated yarn that I picked up. It's chunky and it has all these different colors going through it, if you can see that. And then for the stem for this one, here is the glittered like vinyl from Hobby Lobby. Here's the pink wire that I used, and the same iridescent leaf. I did also make some smaller ones. Here is another one that I made. This yarn is super soft. I think it's part of Hobby Lobby's like baby yarn line. And I used both the pink and the blue because it was running through this colorful yarn. And actually, the stitch came out a lot looser than I'd like, but I still think it came out super cute. I used Wild Orchid Crafts leaves for this one, and the same type of stem that I've been using on all of them. And you can see how much smaller this one is. And I think they'll just be really cute displayed since fall is coming. So that is that one. Here is a white, pink, and gray one. Super cute. And again, I use that iridescent leaf for this one. And here is the last one that I did. It is a white, blue, and gray. This yarn is the same type of yarn that this one is from Hobby Lobby. And I didn't really have a lot of gray embellishments, so I just took some watered down paint. I cut these leaves down a little bit just because this pumpkin is smaller. And then I used some, I think this wire is from Dollar Tree, and I just painted it to match. For this stem, I used my fun fur and just kind of wrapped it around the dowel and then just cut off all the extra hair and bits that, you know, the fun fur has. So just to get the kind of color match for the yarn. So like I said, these were super fun. They were, well, the majority of them were quick and easy. This one probably took the longest just because it's the biggest. I think I'll be displaying some of them and then gifting some to friends. So let me know what you guys think. Have you guys started doing fall projects already? I'm trying to hold on to summer as long as I can. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and taking a look at my fun little pumpkins. And I will be back really soon with another video. Bye everyone.